Tutorial number 28, and we will be covering the mirror feature tool within SOLIDWORKS. To start off, let's open up a new part file, click File, click New, click Part, click OK. In this tutorial, we're going to mirror features that we have cut into an existing part. To start off, let's sketch a rectangle on the front plane. Click the origin, click a point outside of the origin, and let's smart dimension this part to 50 by 200. Click OK, and let's extrude this out by 10 millimeters. Click Accept. Now click the front view, and we're going to have to make a reference plane that goes right through the middle of our part that we've made. To do this, click the bottom face, click Insert, click Reference Geometry, click Plane, and let's make the plane go right through the middle. As you can see right now, it's below the part, and we need to reverse the direction, and now it's right through the middle, and it's at 25 millimeters, and that's what we want. Click Accept. Now everything that we make on top of this plane, we're going to mirror in the bottom of the plane. Okay, so let's click the front view, and click Sketch, click the front face, and first let's draw 3 circles. Now let's draw a rectangle. Let's draw a triangle. And let's draw another triangle. Now let's cut these features out. Click Feature, click Extrude Cut, and click Through All. And as you can see with the yellow lines, that we're going to cut all of those features right through. Click Accept. Now all the features that we just cut out, we're going to mirror using that plane on the bottom half of the part. Now let's click Mirror, and we have to choose the face or plane that we're going to mirror, and that's going to be our plane 1 that we made. Click that. Now click the features to mirror, and they're going to be the extrude cut, and you can see the example with all the yellow cuts that's going to be made, and it looks correct, so let's accept it. Click OK, and now we've mirrored on the bottom half of the part. This concludes our tutorial on the mirror feature.